Hey everyone, welcome back to our final video in the JavaScript series. In this video, we're going to learn about two very important concepts in JavaScript that help organize and structure your code: classes and inheritance. These concepts are essential because we'll use them in our upcoming Discord.js series. Let's dive in. So, what is a class? A class is like a blueprint or template for creating objects. It defines properties and behaviors, or methods, that objects created from the class will have. Think of a class as a recipe to bake a cake. You have all the ingredients, properties, and steps, methods, defined, but you can make multiple cakes, objects, with different flavors, values for properties. For example, we do class, and let's give this class a name, animal, and open the curly brackets. Now we do constructor. The constructor method is used to initialize the object with specific properties. So here we give name and second age, and then we open curly brackets again. And under that brackets, we do this .name = name, and this .age = age. So what we are doing here is assigning the name parameter to the object. And now we make a method to make the animal speak. So we do speak. And like this console.log, this .name makes a sound. So here, the animal class defines two properties, name and age, which will be used to describe an animal object. And the constructor function is special. It runs when an object is created from the class. Here, it accepts parameters, name and age, which we use to initialize properties in the object. And the method, the speak method, is something all animals can do. In this case, it's just printing a message. So now that we have a class, let's create an actual object using this blueprint. The new keyword is used to create a new object from the class. You pass the values for name and age when creating the object. So we do const dog = new animal dog 5, and then console.log dog.name and console.log dog.age. So when we say new animal dog 5, we're creating a new object called dog that has the properties name and age and the method speak inherited from the animal class. By the way, you can also do dog.speak instead of console logs. And if we run the file, you can see it's printing. All right, so now what is inheritance? Inheritance is a way to create a new class based on an existing class. The new class will have all the properties and methods of the parent class, and we can add more functionality specific to the new class. Think of it like this. You have a class animal, and then you create a class dog that extends animal and gets all its properties. But you also add some new methods to dog, such as barking. So here we do class dog extends animal, and then we open curly brackets, and we do constructor name, age, breed, and open the curly brackets. And then we use supername, age, to call the parent class constructor, and then we do this .breed = breed. So new property specific to dog, and then we do speak and console.log this .name barks. So this will overriding the speak method to provide specific behavior for dogs. And we also make new methods specific to dog name console.log. This .name is fetching the ball. And now create an object from the dog class. We do const bulldog = new dog, bulldog 3, bulldog. And then we do bulldog.speak and bulldog.fetch, and if we run the file, you see. That's a wrap on classes and inheritance in JavaScript. This concept is foundational for writing well-structured and scalable code. We'll be using it extensively in our Discord.js series to make our bots more organized and efficient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the upcoming Discord.js series. We'll be building cool bots together. See you in the next video.